collection and handling of CSF. Cerebrospinal fluid, also abbreviated as CSF. It is a colorless liquid which protects the brain and spinal cord from physical and chemical damage. The sample is normally collected by a clinician at bedside using aseptic technique. CSF is a sterile specimen, hence collected into sterile containers. Once the sample is collected, it should be promptly delivered to the laboratory for analysis. It's normally collected in 3 tubes. That's labeled number 1, 2, and 3, as we have seen, and should be at least 0.5 to 1 ml in volume. Tube number 1 is for chemical test, that's glucose analysis. Tube 1 is not used for microscopic culture and sensitivity cell count due to contamination from the lumbar puncture. Also, a gray tube can be used for the same test, that is sodium fluoride. Tube number 2, this is label number 2, is for microbiology, that's culture and sensitivity, gram stain, and crack test due to its sterility. Also, alternatively, you can use a Falcon tube, which is 15 ml for the same, that's for culture and sensitivity. And we have our tube label number 3, which is used for cell count, that's WBCs and RBCs, and differentials, because it has a free flowing cell count because it's clear from the traumatic lumbar puncture. Also, a plain tube can be used for the same. This is a plain tube, which doesn't have any additive. CSF can be collected using different bottles. One of them is the universal bottle, this one, and also a sterile urine container, which are collected in 3 sets as shown above. After the sample has been collected, it should be delivered to the laboratory within 1 hour. Normally, it is treated as a start or urgent sample, hence delivered to the lab in less than an hour of collection to avoid cell lysis and distortion. Sample for culture and sensitivity must not be refrigerated.